Okay, no problem. Might be in the trunk of my car.
First thing you do is grate the onion.
First, you have to peel the onion.
Just in case you didn't know that.
Just kidding. First you peel it, then you grate it.
And don't grate your knuckles.
Yeah, you have to be careful not to grate your fingers.
I think you should be trying to do this. Your mom can show you, and then you can.
You can try.
Yeah.
If you want.
Somebody's gonna hold the camera.
The camera's ready to go right
Make
there.
sure you got it hold it right.
Oh my goodness.
Press down.
Garlic. You must peel the garlic next.
You don't have to peel it. You can just stick it in there. Huh?
Stick it in there.
What?
The garlic.
The garlic.
Without peeling?
Mhm.
What do you mean stick it in here?
Yeah, you just put it in there without peeling. You get the clove, and then it just squishes that out, and then you take the clove out, the skin out.
Okay, I usually peel it. I don't know.
Easier.
Yeah, garlic.
Yeah.
A little bit of garlic. Mix it in with the onion. And we've got a nice little compound there.
You take the peel out.
Onion and garlic
Skin.
together.
Usually take the skin out. Still works with the skin in there.
Yeah, that's because it peels, it pushes it again.
We like a lot of garlic.
Yes,
we do.
I put garlic and onions in everything I cook. It's,
You have to.
it's very healthy and it's flavorful.
Yes.
May be very healthy for you and definitely flavorful.
Alright, you can stop.
Next we've got to open up the
Tomato.
can of tomato paste. We prefer organic if you can find it.
Put a tablespoon.
We're going to put a tablespoon,
Full tablespoon.
full tablespoon.
Because this is 3 pounds.
Next, parsley.
This is dry parsley.
Healthy portion. Let your eye be the judge.
Yeah, like my mother used to say, I'd chop off a little bit of cumin, ground cumin.
A couple of sprinkles of the ground cumin.
Salt and pepper. Where's the salt here?
Salt and pepper.
There. And do you guys have yellow mustard? I was gonna bring it in, I forgot.
Okay, that's quite a bit of salt.
Yeah, but that's a lot of. You gotta pound it.
Pepper.
They don't work these things.
Next we added the meat, 3 pounds, ground turkey, and we start mashing it up.
Can you dump some in here? Because my hands are dirty.
And then we're gonna add a little
I
bit
was
of
gonna put
breadcrumbs.
it in because he's not eating bread, but it's a little
That's a
soft.
lot.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's okay.
This was about less than a cup.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
About 3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs.
Thank you.
This is The breadcrumbs help with the consistency. Makes it a little bit
I know
thicker.
what I
Will
need.
stay into a patty better. Am I on?
Yes, you're on.
Okay, now we cut the parchment paper into squares, and
Don't overload them so they don't
Yeah.
squish each other.
we put the patties
Cool.
one top of the other, making a nice juicy patty.
I hope you're gonna like them. I mean, I used to make them for you years ago, but you haven't had any for a long time. Remember when you used to
Yeah.
cook them with orzo?
I'm gonna use them for lunches.
It's okay. You cook it in the morning?
No, I'll cook them all at one time.
You cook them all at once?
Well, not all at once. I'll cook enough for the week
Okay,
at one time.
got it.
And then this way, I just grab them in the morning and I'm ready to go.
And you eat them cold?
I eat them cold. This parchment paper is a little large.
Or when are you gonna bake them? You're gonna bake them now?
How many need for the rest of the week? 3? I can put 3 in the toaster later.
Yeah, I
And
can
then-
do
and
these
then
3. Actually, I
three.
can just.
And then freeze the rest.
Where is that? 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, we need way more than you think about. It's got a little crazy with paper.
I was hoping to get 12, but I think I only got 11.
It's okay. We got 8.